Oftentimes, the members of the Elevate community are right at the phase in business where they are starting to have their first hire, right? Scale doesn't mean growing an exponential business, but it means maybe doubling their business, going from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. It's that first change from being a business person to owning a business and trying to grow a business. If we as a community didn't do a great job supporting these members in these struggles, it's not that they wouldn't get through these tough times, but our goal is to help them consolidate the amount of time and the amount of struggle that they go through until they learn what we are able to share. So effectively, we want to provide a roadmap for them to get to success quicker and easier by support through the community. If some of these problems aren't solved, it creates a longer period of time where you're in that struggle phase of the business where everything just seems uphill and difficult, which then obviously doesn't allow you to leave your W-2 job, doesn't give you the financial freedom to be a real estate investor, which financially impacts you, it mentally impacts you. Your family doesn't get the time that you need because you're working early, you're fitting a W-2 job in the daytime, and then you're trying to do work late at night. So you start to lose all of the freedom, and we can really help shorten that runway. I'm excited to be part of this community because I started with an organization where we have focused over the past several years of growth, of going from a small business like a lot of the Elevate members, and we were able to scale to over 400 deals a year. We are now serving multiple markets and impacting lives throughout multiple states. We have a team that's comprised of over 40 members that I get to work with on a day in and day out basis that are amazing humans, and we can make a huge impact with working with them. And we are able to have experience in all facets of real estate through wholesaling, novations, fix and flip, burring, creative finance, and a bunch of exit strategies that are relatable to everything that people are going to encounter inside this community. So the good news is this community is a small, intimate group of people who all have similar problems and a like-minded outcome where they want to solve them. And we're here to help do that. We've all been in your shoes. So the level of support and comfortability that we can provide, because it's so relatable. We've all been there, we've all had these struggles, and we've all grown through those. So it's something we're gonna do together, and we're gonna help streamline that process for you. Our community is focused on helping you build and scale a successful business, which is one small segment of what the Collective Genius community is about. We use the word community because family, faith, fitness, friends, and finance are just some of the components that make up what is really important to us. And anyone that is a part of our organization will find that the interactions outside of the meeting rooms are the most impactful. The dinners with people, the sporting events in the morning, and the collaboration, you're gonna develop friendships that are much deeper than talking about deals and relationships that are gonna last far beyond a transaction. This Elevate community is focused on doubling your deal flow. And that's not only a quantitative value of increasing the deal flow, but the impact that that will have on your lives and your business, the flexibility, the freedom, the lack of stress, the financial breathing room, the consistency, which is what we all struggle with sometimes in the stability of our businesses, being able to look down the road, down the horizon a little bit further and knowing that there's success to come and that we've made a ton of progress working together is all what we're gonna strive for within this group. If you're having any issues inside of your investing business now, whether that's systems, processes, people, finance, lead generation, acquisitions, or any other segment, go to doublemydealflow.com, fill out the application for a free consultation today. One of our team members will reach out to you, and let's see if we're a good fit for each other. Hope to see you at our next event soon.